take your way, and she's so shanate. Stand away. That's the translation. For you'll be happy, Jesus. Which one is the hottest? Is it the onion? Because one day I ate onion and it burned my tongue. Is it the pepper? One day I ate pepper and it felt like, why am I eating food? Is it the ginger? Or is it the black pepper? Competition of spices. Who is the hottest? I make this concoction of turmeric and other spices, and anybody in my life, they just want to have it. If you see my face, I ain't got no skincare routines, shit. It's all those things that do it for me. Okay. I mean, in genetics, I guess I should mention that. Let's try the ginger first. Do you know that ginger and black pepper, my dad used to use it and make cough medicine for it. He will count the black pepper. It has to be exactly 6 seeds. I'm going to eat only 2. Wow! You guys, black pepper is more than ginger. I need to take a break for that one. Ginger has its own too, but it's not like it comes out that quick like black pepper did. And let me tell you guys something. If you want your turmeric to work in your body, there's something called bioavailability of nutrients. If you want your turmeric to work in your body, you need to combine it with black pepper. Because black pepper has some nutrients that help. I'm not going to go into details, but it has some nutrients that help, like the nutrients in the turmeric to function. Now let's try the onion. Onion is just there. I eat onions all the times. Onion is just there. I'm afraid. I think this particular one is the one with the medium hotness. Is pepper hot or there's another word for it? This one is the one with the medium hotness, yeah? So there's that small one that is very, very hot. So let's try it. Man, pepper is not joking. Like, I'm not even beating to it. I just went to my throat. But let's bite into. Okay, I took the wrong direction because like that part where it's open, it just took the gas into my mouth.